We got a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee with the V6, guys, the V6, all right? We do everything from V6s to 4-cylinders to V8s to V10s to V12s. But if you have a V6 Jeep and you want to make it a little bit more power, not even make it a little bit louder, just more power, better gas economy, better fuel economy, I should say, and better performance in general, you go with the AFE air intake, available at Gexhaust.com, and pretty simple install. As you can see, it just comes in right here. The tube comes in from the throttle body, upgrades the actual size of the actual air intake tube itself, and then connects to this tube that runs into this air filter box, which has a nice little duct right here. This is for maximum airflow right here. You see all this air? On my hand is air. Boom. Sucking in that airflow. You know what I'm saying? Pause. So, AFE air intake. This does make about 15 horsepower on a V6, maybe closer to 8 horsepower, but it works, and it's definitely a recommended upgrade for every car on the market. So if you're just looking for a little bit more performance, like I said, better gas mileage, not more sound, scratch the exhaust, do the air intake. It's one of the best setups you can run, and AFE is one of the best brands you can run on air intake. So as you can see, AFE plaque, pretty sweet looking plaque right there. And the fitment is perfect. As you can see, it's pretty damn snug. And Berto's just finished installing it. We're just putting a couple little finishing touches on it, and this air intake is out of here. So, like I said, if you have a V6, boom, V6 Jeep Cherokee, V6 Charger, V6 Durango, all right? That's the same air intake for all of them. It's the same engine, just basically a little bit different fitment, and like I said, it's available at Gexhaust.com. So, if the customer did want to upgrade the exhaust, just to show you guys what it looks like out the back, has duals. Some of them come with single. A lot of customers want, dual exhaust out the back. Most of these Jeeps come with one side only. This one has the upgraded body trim package, so it has a dual exhaust, 2 rear resonators or 2 rear mufflers, and then 1 big ass kidney muffler in the middle. And then you're looking for some systems, available at Gexhaust.com once again. Borla S-Type. I think it's the best system on the market for this. This is a V6. You don't want it sounding obnoxious. The S-Type is nice, clean, deep. Maximizes the performance, upgrades the pipe a little bit, and has anti-drone technology, which is what you want out of a V6. You don't want that thing droning inside, guys. It's very annoying. And drone is very elusive, so when you buy Borla, you're buying Borla patented technology with anti-drone technology, which is sweet. And it sounds pretty damn good. So if you, like I said, wanted to upgrade your V6 Jeep, your Durango, your Charger, your Challenger, we have all these options available at Gexhaust.com, and you can always just reach out to us or DM us or call us, We're answering questions 24/7, and we got 2 shops, one in Davie, one in Oakland Park. So, like I said, recap, air intake, exhaust, pretty sweet setup, makes this car wake up, better gas mileage, better performance, and sounds pretty damn sweet. So, we out. Top down, crank up, put the top down, crank up, top down, crank up, put the top down, crank up, top down, crank up, put the top.
Ooh.